Online Lecture Series 4, HP University Institute of Legal Studies, BA LLB Semester 1, Unit 3, Part B, Paper Code 101. Today we will study phonology. Phonology and phonetics are two integrated fields of study. Phonology is the branch of linguistics that is concerned with the study of the speech sounds while referring to the articulation of words and patterning. Therefore, phonology is the study of sounds and phonetics. Ken Lodge observes that phonology is about differences of meaning signaled by sounds. There are some components of a language which are essential for the understanding of phonetics. Linguists have identified 5 important components of a language: phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Let us have a look at this chart. This explains linguistics and the components of language. There are 5 major components of language. The first is phonology, which is the study of speech sounds of a particular language, which we study under phonetics. Second is morphology, which is the study of the structure or form of words in a particular language and their classification, under which we study prefixes, suffixes, which we add to the root words. The third important component is the syntax, which refers to the order and arrangement of words into language unit. It studies structure, type of sentences, of clauses, and of phrases. Fourth important component of the language system is semantic, which refers to the study of how meaning is conveyed in words, phrases, or clauses. The fifth important and the last component is pragmatic, a component which has been very recently added, which studies the function of language and its use in context. Sounds of English. There is no perfect correspondence between letters and sounds in English language. The number of sounds are more than there are letters in the alphabet. The sounds bring about a change in the meaning of the words as pronounced. Let us understand few important terms in phonology. Minimal pairs. As the name reflects, minimal pairs are a pair of two words that are similar in sounds but differ in meanings. For example, bet and bat. Minimal pair of words differ in only one phoneme. Now, what is a phoneme? A phoneme is the smallest unit of utterance in a language that conveys a distinct meaning, such as S in the word sing and R in the word ring. The present chart depicts the vowels and the consonants in the phonemic chart where the phonemic transcriptions is given. The 44 phonemes of standard British English are mentioned here with examples of common spellings. Now this chart refers to consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. If we look at the vowel sounds, we have long vowels, short vowels, and the diphthongs. The given chart refers to some of the examples of minimal pairs. Word stress. In order to understand what is word stress, we need to understand what is a syllable. A syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. A syllable must contain a vowel sound, also called the nucleus, and accompanying consonants. Therefore, the individually pronounced parts of a word are called syllables. Some important examples for better understanding. Look at the word I. I has only one speech sound and it is a one-syllable word. The second example, pen. Pen has 3 speech sounds, a vowel at the nucleus and 2 consonants, per, a, that is the nucleus, and n from the consonant n. The third example, pencil. The word pencil has two syllables. Pen, cell. Stress pattern. In spoken English, all the syllables carry different stress. Some syllables are louder or more prominent. These are termed as stressed syllables. The airstream mechanism plays an important role in understanding the stress pattern. When a lot of efforts are placed on our lungs while pronouncing a word, it is called a stressed syllable. Two important type of stress pattern, primary and secondary stress. Primary stress or the main stress is placed above or before the syllable that carries the main stress in the word. For example, in the word unit. Secondary stress is marked as a vertical bar and is placed below and before the syllable which carries the secondary stress. For example, education.